Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and I'm here at the House of Tools workshop with this nice Estwing or Estwing tool set. This is a PB3PC or Pry Bar 3-piece, and it's a 5.5 inch, it's a 7.5 inch, and it's a 10-inch pry bar. And what's nice is these are forged in one piece, so you know they're nice and strong that way. They're not cast. They're angled here to make them work a little bit better for ease of prying and lifting. They say they're ideal for like window and door trim moldings and baseboards. These things can also be used as a nail puller, so all three of them here have the little nail puller on them along with here. So you got the V here for nail pulling, you have the kind of egg-shaped V here for nail pulling, as well as here. So you have three different options on each one of these for nail pulling. So different angles at different times, one or the other might be better for you. And what's nice is this set is very lightweight. It's super light, but I'm assuming super strong. And what's nice is these could even fit in your pocket or very easily in a tool pouch. And even this little one at 5.5 inches, I think you can get quite a bit done with this little pry bar here. So if you're doing more delicate things, again, like door moldings, baseboards, casings, etc., chair rails, etc., this would be perfect. So for painters and finished carpentry and demo work, these would be great for that. Even the large one here is going to get quite a bit done here. At 10 inches, it's a good manageable size, yet at the same time can do quite a bit. So if you're looking to do any of that type of work, whether you're pulling nails, taking things apart, putting them back together, this is great for the demo work ahead of time. So it's going to also be used as a chisel or scraper. So you can use these as scraper. If you take off the molding, you got old silicone or paint, you can just do a nice job scraping, or using it as a chisel if you need to take some material out. Again, not the best use. I'd probably rather use a chisel, but I know how it is when you're in the trades. You have limited tools with you, or if you're like my house, it's a 3-story. The garage is 3 floors down. If I'm up in the upper floor and I need to do something, heck, usually your screwdriver becomes your pry bar, your scraper, your chisel, etc. These were designed to at least do that, so you're using the right tool per se. Again, not precision work, but great for demo work, taking things apart. So let us know in the comment section, how do you like this set? Is this a good size for you, or are they too small for the work you do? Also, if you can like and subscribe, we'd appreciate that. Helps us grow the channel, and the idea of these videos is to kind of show you visually how these things work or how big they are, etc. In a photo, you don't always get the scale of what these are until somebody picks them up, puts it in their hands. So again, if you can like and subscribe, we appreciate that, so we keep these videos going. And until then, why don't you pick up a set and use it for yourself and let us know how it worked out. Thanks.